Welcome! I'm Tabitha from the George Memorial Library, and in this video, we'll learn to use one aspect of mail merge in Microsoft Word. One function of mail merge is to fill in the blanks, so to speak. Say, here in this Excel spreadsheet, we have a list of donors, their contact information, and their donation amounts. Over here in Word, we have a letter that will be sent to each of the people listed, but each letter needs to have the correct individual's name, address, and donated amount. This is where we'll have mail merge fill in those blanks using the information on the Excel spreadsheet. Our spreadsheet is already complete and saved, so here in our letter on Word, we'll go to the Mailings tab. First, we'll click Select Recipients to tell the program where to find our list. We'll choose Use an Existing List. Then we'll navigate to our saved spreadsheet and select it. Now that the program knows where to get the information, we can start telling it where the blanks are that it needs to fill. On our spreadsheet, we have categories listed out. These are all first names, last names, donation amounts. Each of these categories is something the program calls a field, and we can insert these fields as placeholders in our letter. We'll select where we want our first placeholder to be, then click Insert Merge Field, and we get a list of all the categories in our spreadsheet. We'll choose first name. We'll type a space, then insert a placeholder for the last name category. We'll follow the same steps for street address. And again, the same for the next line, city, then type a comma and a space, state, another space, and zip code. Now we can preview what that will look like by clicking Preview Results here on the right. This is showing what the letter will look like with the blanks filled in for the first recipient in our list. If we turn this preview back off, we'll see our placeholders again. Let's insert the names again on the greeting line. Dear first name, space, last name, comma. We'll also create a placeholder for the donation amount. Now we'll preview it again. We've got his full name after Dear and the correct amount he donated here in this sentence. We can preview other recipients too by clicking Next Record. This would be the second person listed in our spreadsheet, third, fourth, and so on. Here where it says Finish and Merge, we can print the document and each letter will be on its own sheet. Or we can edit individual documents. For example, say we needed to write something more here in Mr. Lee's letter, but even though it's currently displaying his name, if we change anything on this letter, it will change all the letters. We'll click on Edit Individual Documents. It asks if we want all the letters or just a range. We'll go ahead and say all. It opens a separate document with each recipient's letter on its own page. Now we can scroll down to Mr. Lee's letter and make the adjustments we want without affecting the other letters. And there we have it. That's filling in the blanks using mail merge on Microsoft Word.